Okay, time for 10.3, number 27. I've written the information over here. These are both zeros here and here. That is given to us in the book. We want to graph it and find an equation. So I think the easiest thing to do, the best thing to do to start, is to put the information that they give us on a graph. So I'm going to sketch my little graph like this. I'm going to put some ticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so I get a center at 0. Actually, maybe I'll go a different color. I get a center at 0, 0. I get a vertex at 5, 0. Label that as V. That's this line right here. Because of that, since that distance is 5, I also know that I get a vertex straight on the other side. So I get a vertex at negative 5, 0. I also know, so I'll label that as V. I also know that at 3, 0, I get a focus, which means that go back, that's forward 3 from the center, so go back 3 from the center, I get another focus. Couple things that you should be able to get out of this. One, since that's a vertex and the focus are on that line, this is the major axis, so it's going to be fatter than it is tall. Secondly, this length is 5, and that's my A value. The other length that I can pick up from here is out to the focus, that's 3, and that's equal to C, because remember the distance from the center to the focus is C. So, I need to figure out what is B. B equals what? So I'm going to use C squared, the thing that looks like Pythagorean theorem, equals A squared minus B squared, and plug in these values. So C is 3, so C squared is 9. A is 5, so A squared is 25, and then equal or minus B squared. So if I, you can solve this however you want. I'll move the b over and subtract 9 at the same time. So that, if I add b to both sides so that I can have a positive b, gives me b squared equal to, at the same time, I'm going to subtract the 9 from both sides. So 9 from 25 leaves me with 16. B is 4. This is using a Pythagorean triple. So I go up 4 like that. That's a CV, co-vertex. As is this, down 4 from the center, co-vertex. I can connect it up like this. Your graph should look better because you're not drawing on a computer. So that's my shape. So that's part of the answer. The directions asked for Okay, that was Zoe. She says hello. I think I was saying that it was asking for the graph. It was also asking for the equation. So I know that part of the equation, I'll go to orange, is x squared over 25 plus y squared over something equal to 1. That comes from this being 5. As we figured out, b is 4, so that's this length, it's 4, right here. So I put y squared over 16. That's that. Hopefully that helps as well.